every thought of ours can become a reality. Every thought is that powerful. Why? Because it is energy. And anything and everything that is energy is a force. So before we think anything, we must sit down and understand why we are thinking it, what are we thinking, what is our intention behind it, and what do we plan to achieve from this thought. Thinking is the easiest thing. We can do 24/7. And we can think as if there's no end to the world. But do we really need to think so much? Do we really need to allow all these thoughts to keep going into our head, into our body, into our energy field? Because trust me, every thought is like that drop of ink which is going into your water and coloring your water. So it is important to really, really filter out and only allow those thoughts to go in which are going to help you with your well-being, with your happiness, helping you raise your frequency. The thoughts that don't do that, don't allow those. For example, negative thought. I'm not saying keep thinking positive all the time and don't think negative. No. But do you really need to only be negative? Do you really need to allow always be so cautious, so fearful, so reluctant in allowing yourself to experience positivity, hope and happiness? Because positive thoughts bring that. Focus on positive thoughts because that will help you in manifesting any reality. And all of us want happy reality, isn't it? So why not manifest happy reality through good thoughts, happy thoughts, high frequency thoughts? Think about it and I'll be back.